Hi, my name is Tanya and I'm a patient of Dr. Sharma. A few years back, I had a procedure called Balloon Sinuplasty. It started off by Dr. Sharma coming into one of my companies and noticing that I was always sick, and I was always sick with a sinus infection. Sadly, every time I had a sinus infection, I was always on antibiotics. So it would happen where for 6 weeks I would be on antibiotic, my sinuses would clear, and naturally my body just would breathe in everything that I would be allergic to. And then 4 weeks later, I'd be sick again. And there I was again on antibiotic for another 2 weeks. And the process would take its cycle and keep going and going. And that had happened for about 5 straight years. When Dr. Sharma, and I told him that story, that happened, he said to me, maybe you should come into my office and I'll take a look at your sinuses and see how everything looks. And maybe it's allergies that's contributing it, or let's just take a closer look. So we went ahead and we did that, and after a few months of eliminating different options and different scenarios of what was happening, we came to the conclusion of the way my bone structures were in my face cavity, I guess is what it would be called. And we knew right away what procedure I needed to do, and that procedure was called Balloon Sinuplasty. I went ahead and I trusted him with everything because I knew that one day I was hoping to just feel better. And we did the procedure. It was super quick. It was done in the office. I had a few muscle relaxers that I had to take. I was wide awake. I had someone drive me, and I believe it took an hour, maybe an hour and a half from beginning and end to actually signing into the receptionist, to actually leaving in my car. And I went home, had minor, very minor, slight bleeding after, but it only lasted a couple hours, and I was back to work within 24 hours. I had no bruising, I had no issues, no complications, and I am so proud to say that 2 years it's been since my procedure, and I have been 100% antibiotic free. So the procedure I had was called Balloon Sinuplasty, and I 100% recommend it to every single patient that has been chronic with sinus infections and is always on antibiotic for it. Dr. Sharma is the best, and I highly recommend him.